45 days on the cattle drive. Kansas line's another 25. Sweating like a dog and got saddle sores. Too old for a cowboy anymore. This wrangler's job's is not where it's at. Time for me to hang up my hat. This is the last cattle drive for me. It's time to chase some other dream. Wanna see what's over that rise and find true love before I die. This is the last cattle drive for me. The last cattle drive. My chaps are ripped, my spurs are worn. Lost a glove and my boots are torn. Don't wanna keep on keeping on. I've done been at it way too long. This wrangler's job is not where it's at. Time for me to hang up my hair. This is the last cattle drive for me. It's time to chase some other dream. Wanna see what's over that rise and find true love before I die. This is the last cattle drive for me. The last cattle drive. As I come to the end of this long trail, I wish all my cowboy buddies well. Keep driving those cows to Kansas City. But this is the last cattle drive for me. There's a whole world that I wanna see. This is the last cattle drive for me. So long till we meet again. This is my last cattle drive. My last cattle drive.